Have you ever observed that ascending steps feel tougher than they once did, or that your limbs lack the vigor they formerly possessed? You're not isolated. Feeble legs aren't merely an inevitable aspect of growing older, they're an alert that your autonomy and movement might be in jeopardy. But here's the uplifting news: it doesn't need to remain so. In this clip, we'll reveal the unexpected causes behind why your legs diminish initially as you age and disclose the effective measures you can adopt to counteract it. And here's the finest part. By this video's conclusion, you'll learn about 3 straightforward, budget-friendly foods that can fortify your legs, enhance your stability, and elevate your general wellness. So, this video is tailored for you, whether you aim to remain energetic, avert tumbles, or feel surer in your everyday motions. Stay with me until the finish, as the last suggestion might reshape how you view your vitality and longevity, prepared to take the initial stride toward sturdier legs and a more robust future. Before we start, I'd be grateful if you could give this video a thumbs up. Your support aids me in continuing to share aging wisdom. If you haven't joined yet, I suggest subscribing and activating the notification icon so you won't miss any updates. If you enjoy this video, please comment with the number 1. If it's not your liking, comment with 0 to inform me so I can craft a superior video. Now, let's dive in. Why do legs weaken first? Have you ever noticed that climbing steps have become more arduous, or that rising from a seat demands greater exertion? If so, you're not imagining things. There's a scientific rationale behind these shifts that occur as we age. As we advance in years, our bodies experience sarcopenia, which denotes the steady reduction in muscle bulk and power. Starting around age 40, we lose roughly 1% of our muscle mass annually, and by our 60s, this loss rate often doubles. This innate decline in muscle potency impacts our whole body, but one region stands out more prominently: the legs. Why do legs weaken first? The explanation rests in their magnitude and incessant activity. Your leg muscles are the most substantial and dynamic in your body. Each time you stand, sit, stroll, or ascend steps, your legs are diligently working. They resemble a house's foundation, perpetually bearing your weight, transporting you through daily tasks, and handling the heaviest burdens. Since these muscles are constantly engaged, they're the first to exhibit signs of deterioration as we age. Picture your muscles as a savings fund. In youth, your body deposits vigor and stamina into this fund, aiding in maintaining robust muscle mass. However, as you age, your body starts withdrawing from this fund. Since legs are frequently used, these withdrawals become evident sooner, making leg weakness a primary indicator of aging. Initially, the changes might be so subtle you barely notice. Your legs may feel heavier when trekking uphill, or you may be gripping a handrail for added balance. But over time, these minor shifts can grow more noticeable. Tasks that once seemed effortless, like tending a garden, dancing, or playing with grandkids, may begin to feel more daunting. But here's the real worry. When leg muscles weaken, it's not just about feeling wearier or exhausted. It's about the potential loss of self-reliance. Research indicates that diminished leg muscles are directly tied to a heightened risk of tumbles. In older adults, even one fall can result in months of recuperation, or, in graver cases, permanent impairment or even fatality. Falls are the top cause of injury-related deaths for those over 65. It's a harsh truth, but one we must confront. Here's the encouraging news. You're not helpless against sarcopenia. It's not a one-way path. You can decelerate or even reverse leg weakening with the right approaches, regardless of age. Let me share an inspiring tale. Margaret, a 72-year-old, grappled with frail legs for years. She ceased park strolls because her knees quivered, and steps seemed insurmountable. But everything transformed when she focused on a healthier diet and integrated simple workouts into her routine. Within months, Margaret was walking a mile daily and had resumed ballroom dancing, a pastime she thought was lost. Her legs were stronger, her confidence restored, and she embraced life fully. Now, reflect on your legs. Are they as robust as they once were? Do you feel steady and secure when moving? Don't dismiss them if you detect even minor signs of weakness, light tiredness, difficulty rising, or unsteadiness when walking. The sooner you tackle the issue, the better the long-term results. So, are you ready to act? Wonderful. In the next segment, I'll share 3 potent foods to keep your legs strong, agile, and ready to support you for years. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned, as this information might astonish you. Explore the top 3 foods to keep your legs sturdy and healthy. Now that we grasp why legs weaken over time, it's time to turn the tide. So, what's the best strategy for preserving muscle strength? The solution lies in nourishing your body with the right foods. A balanced diet can help rebuild muscle mass, strengthen bones, and sustain energy levels. Let's examine the top 3 foods you should incorporate into your diet today to safeguard and strengthen your legs. If you're still watching and finding these insights valuable, please comment with the number 1 below to let me know you're still engaged. Thank you for your precious time. 1. Fatty fish, the muscle enhancer when it comes to keeping your legs robust, healthy, and nimble as you age. Few foods are as potent as fatty fish. Varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines aren't just tasty, they're nutritional dynamos that can help preserve mobility and bolster muscle function. If these fish aren't part of your regular meals, you overlook one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to support your legs as you age. Why are these fish so beneficial for muscles and joints? The secret lies in their rich omega-3 fatty acid content. Omega-3 South, often called good fats, are vital to overall health. Unlike harmful fats linked to heart disease and inflammation, omega-3 South are essential for your body's well-being. Since your body can't produce omega-3 South independently, you must obtain them through diet. So, how do omega-3 South aid your legs specifically? First, they lubricate muscles and joints like oil in a well-tuned engine. Omega-3 South reduce inflammation, a primary cause of muscle stiffness, soreness, and joint pain. By curbing inflammation, these fish fats can alleviate conditions like arthritis, keeping you more mobile and pain-free. But the benefits extend further. Omega-3 South support muscle recovery and repair. Whether you've taken a long walk, done light exercise, or simply gone about your day, Omega-3 South assist in repairing muscle wear and tear, making them especially valuable for maintaining or improving leg strength as you age. Additionally, fatty fish are packed with high-quality protein, which is a crucial muscle growth and repair nutrient. Each time you eat fish like salmon or tuna, you supply your body with amino acids that rebuild muscle tissue. It's like providing your legs with the building blocks needed to stay strong, lean, and capable of supporting daily activities. Picture this: a perfectly grilled salmon fillet, seasoned with fragrant herbs and a dash of lemon. In one serving, you get over 20 grams of protein, a hefty dose of omega-3s, and key vitamins like vitamin D, which strengthens bones and enhances muscle function. It's a triple boost for your legs in one meal: protein for muscle building, Omega-3 South for inflammation reduction, and vitamin D for bone health. That's a meal that benefits both your legs and overall wellness. How to add more fatty fish to your diet? Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is simpler than you might think. For a quick dinner, grill or bake a favorite fish like salmon or mackerel paired with steamed veggies or quinoa for a wholesome side dish. For lunch, whip up a fresh salad with leafy greens or whole grain toast, topped with tuna for a satisfying nutrient-rich option. Alternatively, with their bold flavor, sardines make a surprisingly nutritious snack when paired with whole grain crackers, delivering protein and healthy fats in every bite. If cooking isn't your forte, don't worry. Canned fish like salmon or sardines are just as nutritious as fresh, often more budget-friendly and convenient, offering the same benefits without extra prep time. They're ideal for busy schedules and have a long shelf life. Plant-based options like flax seeds, chia seeds, or walnuts provide omega-3 South for those who dislike fish. Alternatively, a fish oil supplement can help meet your omega-3 needs without eating fish regularly. By making fatty fish a weekly staple, you're fueling your body with vital nutrients and investing in long-term mobility and leg wellness. It's a straightforward, effective way to support your muscles and joints. 2. Dairy products. The protector of vigor. Dairy products, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, or cheese, are both savory and crucial pillars for maintaining robust leg strength and mobility as you age. Our bodies need extra support as we age to retain vitality and movement. Dairy products are loaded with two key nutrients, protein and calcium, that work together to provide this essential aid. Protein, the foundation of muscles, is vital for maintaining and repairing muscle mass. Tiny microtears form in your muscle fibers each time you move, whether standing, walking, or climbing stairs. This is a normal part of muscle activity, and your body repairs these tears using protein, rebuilding fibers to make them stronger and more resilient than before. This process ensures muscles remain capable, supporting your movements. If you're still watching and finding these tips helpful, please comment with the number 2 below to let me know you're still with me. Thank you for your valuable time. As we age, our bodies naturally decline in their ability to build and maintain muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This decline becomes more evident as we grow older, making it essential to ensure your diet includes enough protein. Dairy products offer a prime source of top-quality protein. For example, a glass of milk provides about 8 grams of protein, while Greek yogurt delivers a substantial 20 grams per serving. This protein helps preserve and enhance muscle mass, supporting balance, mobility, and independence as you age. Calcium, the backbone of strong bones, is vital for maintaining bone health. Bones are the structural framework of your body, supporting everything else. Even with strong muscles, weak bones can lead to fractures or falls, severely limiting mobility. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing calcium, increasing bone fragility risks. Without enough calcium, bone density decreases, and bones may weaken. Prioritizing calcium intake is key to countering this. Dairy products are an excellent way to meet calcium needs. A single serving of cheese or yogurt can supply a large portion of daily requirements, making it easy to bolster your bones. Simple tips for including dairy. Adding dairy to your diet is easy and rewarding. Start your morning with a glass of milk, whole, skim, or lactose-free to kick off your day with protein and calcium. Pair Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and nuts for a nutrient-packed, delicious breakfast or snack option. Sprinkle cheese over salads or melt it onto sandwiches for a flavorful calcium boost at lunch or dinner. For a quick snack, pair cheese with whole grain crackers for a satisfying, nutritious treat. Fortified plant-based milk like almond or soy. Milk offers calcium for lactose-intolerant or non-dairy folks. Calcium-rich foods, like leafy greens or fortified cereals, can help meet daily needs. Adding dairy to your routine is a simple way to protect and strengthen your legs, ensuring confident movement for years. 3. Leafy greens. The leg defender, leafy greens like spinach, kale, collards, or arugula are often underappreciated but vital for supporting robust, healthy legs and overall energy. These vibrant veggies are brimming with essential nutrients that keep your legs in peak condition, ensuring daily functionality. Among their benefits, leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, magnesium, and potassium, each playing a specific role. In leg health, vitamin K strengthens bones, aiding calcium absorption for robust bone structure. Without enough vitamin K, calcium utilization weakens, potentially causing joint or leg issues. Leafy greens like kale or collards ensure bones stay sturdy, supporting muscles and joints for easy movement. Magnesium supports muscle function and involves over 300 bodily reactions, preventing cramps or spasms. It helps muscles relax after contraction, reducing tension or fatigue, especially after activity. Potassium, another key nutrient, ensures proper muscle performance by balancing fluids and electrolytes, which are vital for smooth muscle contractions. Adequate potassium supports circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the legs for faster recovery. If you're still engaged and finding these insights useful, please comment with the number 3 below to let me know you're with me. Thank you for your valuable time. Incorporating leafy greens, adding leafy greens to meals is simple and versatile, ensuring they stay enjoyable. For a nutrient-rich start, blend spinach or kale into smoothies with berries or bananas for a tasty boost. Toss greens into salads raw or lightly sautéed with nuts, seeds, and dressing for a satisfying side sauce. Spinach, kale, or arugula with garlic and olive oil to preserve nutrients while adding flavor. Add greens to soups, stews, or pasta for extra nutrition. Their flexibility makes it easy to include them in various dishes, deliciously supporting legs and overall health. Regularly eating leafy greens bolsters leg health and enhances mobility and strength, ensuring your legs stay capable for years. Thank you for joining me on this journey to understand the importance of keeping your legs strong and healthy as you age. I'd love to hear from you. What did you learn, and what will you start doing daily? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I value your insights. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's stay strong, active, and free together. See you in the next video.